friends, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to show you how to make frijoles de la olla. Okay, we're going to start off by taking our pot and filling it up with tap water. Yeah, it's totally fine to use tap water because we're going to be boiling this water, okay? We're going to be boiling it, and this is just about right. We can fill it up to this point, bring it over to our stove top, turning it on, high heat. Because we got to make sure to boil this water ASAP, because these beans take a couple hours. Okay, we got Anderson peanut butter. Ignore this, all right? We're going to be using peruano beans for this process. Okay, we're going to select the peruano bean, looking out for rocks or any other trash or any old beans that, are blackened. Pretty much we're gonna just clean them. We gotta clean them out, rinse them out. You can use, I'm using cold water here. Some people use warm water or even hot water, but I'm using cold water here. We're just gonna rinse them thoroughly and shake them up a little bit. Okay. And next thing is check to see if our water has boiled, and it has. It's super boiling right now. All right, perfect. Let's bring this flame a little bit low. Okay, we're gonna transfer the peruano beans over to the boiling water now. Okay, just like this. All right, take a closer look. And we're gonna cover it. What's gonna happen now is sometimes the beans are gonna be floating. That means that they're just getting ready to get cooked, basically. So they're getting softened up. All right, just like that. And you just keep checking. You're gonna be checking these, looking out for them, making sure they're cooking. You can tell they're getting softer now. There's less of the beans floating. Okay, and they will look like this once they have stopped floating. That means they are in the process of being cooked. So we almost have frijoles. All right, guys. So next step would be adding some salt. You gotta add that salt, porque a veces salen desabridos. They come out flavorless. All right, so we're gonna add some salt. You can add whatever amount of salt you would like. I don't know how much salt you like, but for me, it's moderate, okay? Keep it moderate, something normal. And let that salt boil within the water and the beans, okay? Just like that. This is how they look when they start to cook. We are one step closer, guys. And next step would be trying it out. Test out for salt, and it's good. Once it's good, you are pretty much set. And this is your final result. Órale, very nice. It takes a couple hours. I think it's like 2 to 3 hours, sometimes even 4 hours. It depends on how you cook them, but this is how they are supposed to look. They start breaking apart. That just means that they're soft and they are ready to serve. Okay. Very nice. Delicioso. We got some deliciosos peruano beans right here ready to eat. So that's how you make your frijoles de la olla. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.